See, we take it from here. You see?
Okay. It looks like a very wet dough. Wow. Pretty high hydration.
It's 60. It was 65, and it was make Tuesday. I used today, so.
See you, Roberto.
See.
Beautiful.
No, I didn't do it this way.
Yeah, nice meeting you. Never know.
If we just a little bit more pay attention, caution, etiquette.
Would you do a video of me doing a pizza with Roberto?
Sorry?
Could you do a video of me doing pizza with Roberto?
Sure. Video, you said?
See where I'm at.
You want a video?
So,
Yeah, if you could.
Yeah.
here, let me see. I'll explain what I'm doing. Push the air. I turn. I turn.
All the breakdown. Yes.
Right, slow down.
Slow down.
Right in, slow down. Now clean the flour. Yeah, you're done.
Okay. It's so soft compared to the dough that I've used. But this has been sitting out for how many hours?
Since on Tuesday.
Yeah, that's pretty.
What kind of flour is it, Roberto?
00 Caputo.
The blue bag or the red bag?
The blue bag.
The blue bag.
You can make mozzarella. These are first. This is not the part that I important. I will explain to you.
Yeah.
Here, see your hands.
Yep.
Look at your video.
Okay, thank you so much.
See, look.
Yeah.
God, I spend money like I'm.
This is about 12 inches then, yeah?
Sure. better yet. She's an investor, and I'm just like, she's a smart one. We got to ship it.
You need to open your finger, look. See? Now it's 1 inch.
That's okay. Oh, sorry. So I do all the stretching, and then my wife usually works it, and she does the oven, so we do it together. She's better in the oven than I am. She does it a lot more.
The turkey is all the time outside the oven. You never turn the pizza inside the oven.
Okay. What is your reason for that? Just because it's...
Because you don't burn the pizza. So
Okay.
you're risky to burn the pizza.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's your pizza.
Thank you, Roberto.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roberto, for your incredible pizza demo. I know we all learned a lot just by watching you create pizza. And you can find out more about Roberto by going to his website, robertocaporuscio.com. And if you're interested in Pizza Expo and learning about the pizza business, I urge you to go to pizzaexpo.com. And while you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.